Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and I have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Edge Series case here for the iPhone SE. Now this is the SE3, but it obviously will fit the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8 as well. Now this case is only $16.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. As of today of dropping the video, there is an instant 7% off coupon that you can apply at checkout to save a little bit of money. So if you do want to buy this case after watching this video, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. So as far as the actual case goes, as you can see here, guys, it is a clear case that has a harder TPU side here, or at least it's, a harder shell with the interior TPU here. But as far as the inside goes, as you can see, it's very clear. But when you're looking in here, you can kind of see the little honeycomb pattern in there that's going to be for that drop protection. So it is a military grade drop protection style case against your phone. So let's go ahead and grab my product red SE here and slap it on. So we'll just start with the button side, or at least that main button side first. And here it is installed. So here is the case. Now that product red looks fantastic on this case here. Looking a little bit closer, as you can see here, guys, you do have a high gloss black lip that does go around the single camera lens and the flash there, as you can see. And then the back is crystal clear, but as you can see on that Apple logo, it's got that little dot pattern that's going to help with the clinging or anti-clinging, so it's no watermarks and stuff on the case itself. So definitely appreciate that. And then as you can see here, you can kind of see everything nice and neat on here. Now the back here is black, but then you have like this graphite kind of gunmetal gray color on the side here, but that's the look of the back. Looking here at the side, like I said, it's that kind of graphite color. You do have your power button here that is raised. And then looking here at the bottom, you can see the very minimal Supcase branding there, exactly when the light hits it just right. So very, very ghost effect looking. And then going here to the bottom, we have our cutouts for the speakers, a generous cutout there for our lightning port. And then going to this side here, obviously that graphite color going through the sides again. We do have some raised volume up and down buttons and a nice little cutout there for the alert slider. And then going to the top, obviously nothing, but there's the look. And then looking at the front of the phone, as you can see here, there are some raised lips that do go around it, so we are definitely going to be getting some screen protection with this. But one thing I like about this is that when I'm looking at it, you can kind of see the product red shining through a little bit on the edges. So like when I'm looking at it, it definitely has that red kind of shining through, so it's kind of cool. But that's the look. There's the look of the top, all that good stuff. So now let's go ahead and do our wobble test here. So let's do face down first, and let's just see if it's any wobbly or shaky. And it's definitely not on the front, and on the back it is not either. But one thing to point out is you do have these little raised elevated corners on the back of the case too that I didn't point out. So that's going to help a lot with that anti-shake there. So now let's do our clicky button test and see how clicky and responsive they are. So let's start with this power button first. And volume up and down. All right, so definitely, guys, very tactile and clicky buttons. Now the ease of access to that alert slider there. So very easy, no issues at all. So definitely 2 thumbs up there. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and do our Qi wireless charging test, and let's see if it responds, which obviously it instantly did right there. So it is definitely Qi wireless charging compatible. Obviously with the SE model, there is no MagSafe magnets, but you are able to put it on a MagSafe charger just to charge it wirelessly, obviously. So you can definitely do that. And this case works flawlessly with Apple Pay as well. So there you have it, guys. There is a very slim case from Supcase that does this phone justice. I've been using it now for about 24 hours on this phone, and it feels great. The sides aren't as grippy as I would like, but when you are touching the TPU part here, when you're holding the phone in your hand, it does give you some decent grip. And the back, with it being that clear back, it does have a little bit of grip to it as well. It is anti-fingerprint, but not anti-smudge, so you're definitely going to want to use your shirt and wipe it down. But there we have it, guys. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, see you on the next one.